Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new Samsung S23 Ultra. This phone has been highly anticipated and I'm excited to share my first impressions with you. Let's get started. Opening the box. So, as you can see, the packaging is quite simple and elegant. We have the Samsung branding on the front of the box, along with a picture of the phone. Let's go ahead and open it up. Inside the box. Alright, so the first thing we see is the Samsung S23 Ultra itself. It looks stunning. The phone has a large 6.8-inch display with a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. It's a beautiful AMOLED screen that looks amazing. Underneath the phone, we have the SIM card tray ejector tool, a USB-C cable for charging and data transfer, and a pair of AKG earphones. Let's talk about some of the features and specifications of this phone. The Samsung S23 Ultra comes with a powerful Exynos 2100 processor, which is backed up by 12 GB of RAM. The phone also has 256 GB of internal storage, which is plenty of space for all your apps, games, and media. One of the standout features of this phone is the camera system. The S23 Ultra has a quad camera setup on the back, with a 108 megapixels primary sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide sensor, a 10 megapixels periscope telephoto lens, and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens. The front-facing camera is a 40 megapixel sensor, which is great for selfies and video calls. The S23 Ultra also has a huge 5000 mAh battery, which should easily last you all day. The phone supports fast charging, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging, which means you can use it to charge other devices. Overall, my first impressions of the Samsung S23 Ultra are very positive. The phone looks amazing and feels great in the hand. The camera system is impressive and should be able to capture stunning photos and videos. I'm also excited to see how the Exynos 2100 processor performs in day-to-day use. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Samsung S23 Ultra. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.